I first came up here on J-term with St. Olaf College and had a really good time. Right now I'm utilities lead. I started out as utilities assistant. Utilities stood out to me. I studied chemistry, so I was interested in science and working with my hands. A day in the life looks like going out to the hydroelectric plant, making sure everything's looking right there, recording sort of the daily numbers, and then you're going to the water treatment plant as well, recording data there, total production, checking on the filters if you need to change them, coordinating with government agencies. We're a public water system, so we follow all the guidelines set by EPA and Department of Health. It always feels good to have the power stay on and to be able to provide clean and safe drinking water that's up to standards. Yeah, there's just so much to learn, but so many people that are willing to help out and jump in when help is needed. And it really feels like the community makes this place possible.